You're live. Share screen. Let's go. Market. We got so so Let me get my narrative correct real quick. This is my first target for the day on the 18-minute chart. This first target right here at 3:54 a.m. is my first PSP target. If all of them blow through it, I have YM up. I'm not going to pull up YM's chart. You're not going to be able to see it, so you're just going to have to take my word for it. This is my PSP right here on the 18-minute. And my second PSP target is the 1:30 a.m. candle on the 18-minute. I have both of them marked out on all charts. Why NQ is coming into the first one currently right now. YM is nowhere near the first one. Nowhere near it. It's going to be a long time before it gets there. That's why I got them failing to get there. So with that being said, my target, shit, we might go down from here. I ain't even saying bullshit, especially on the 18-minute. You got a breaker block. It just blew through. You got a high, low, higher high, and a lower low blowing through the fucking breaker block. That breaker block should hold on the 18-minute. I don't know. That's why I don't trade breaker blocks now, because my sequence tells me that we got to go hit all fucking goddamn other targets. I mean, they can do some shit in the middle, of course, but it is what it is. Let's see. It did not sweep the 18-minute. Let me double check my 9. My 9 is right there at the same place at 403. So that's cool. We're coming back up. All right, we're gonna wait this out. Now you see where it's going at, right? On the 1 minute. That target on the 1 minute right here. This is a target on the 1 minute right here. This one right here. Going through our EMA. Our PSP is, where is PSP? Right now the PSP is at 902. That's between ES and Q. So let's see where the PSP is between YM. I'm not going to pull up YM. I'm so sorry. It is what it is. All right, the PSP between YM at this point in time is the 907 candle. 907 candle. Let me put a line on the 907 candle for this right here. Market is about to open. Let me mark up my 907 on my 1 minute real quick. We are currently on the EMA on YM. We go to 1 minute. 18-minute out of targets. 18-minute. All right. There we go. That's what I'm talking about, homie. Go on down there. You the fucking man. Keep on fucking falling. Go on down. That'd be awesome if you can go down so we can go back up for that 3-hour target at the top. Let's see what they want to do, bro. I'm looking at the lines on the 1 minute. I'm looking at this candle right here. Currently I'm looking at this one right here. 907 candle. I'm looking at it on all assets. See if they want to sweep it before they go down. I do have a point of interest on the bottom side that I got us going up for the day. I got us bullish for the day. I'm not going to sit here and bullshit you. If I had to choose, I really don't have to choose, but if I had to choose, I got us bullish. I got us coming down to, let me show it. Boom. That right there. Here we go. That's what I got us coming down to, right there where we at. That line that we got marked out. If NQ sweeps that, we're gonna need a gap down on NQ. That will tell me to zoom in to the 3 minute or 1 minute to find the change in state of delivery to take buys. So right now, we're looking good for these buys though, bro. These buys looking fucking real fucking good, bro. Real fucking good. Like really. Yeah. I got points of interest on the 1 minute ad. Also, 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock has shown the pattern. It never got hit. Yep. And 153 has shown the pattern that did not get hit. Yeah. That's cool. Boom. All right, let's keep on watching here. Hold on for a second. Let me get this other chart set up on my damn thing here. I'm running a little behind. I fucked up. I forgot what time it was. It's okay though. Come on down, homie. There we go. It's coming into the second line right now, as we can see on the charts, bro. There you go. That's the sweep we want right there. That's the one we're looking for. That's the one we're looking for. That is the one we're looking for, bro. Let's go. All right. You still there, bro? Yeah. All right. Huh? Kinda. Okay. All right.
I'm in and out.
You in and out.
Yeah.
Oh shit, boy, you better go on damn taking that. You about to miss something.
No, I'm watching the live stream.
Oh, okay.
Your voice is matching up with how you're making the charts at the same time.
Yeah, it's got like a 5 second delay on it, but it's all good.
I know, but like the video I'm listening and watching right now, like it lines up perfect.
Gotcha. All right, so we got the 130 getting close to it. I got the 18 minutes showing right now, so that is my second point of interest, which is cool. I'd rather them sweep that one anyway. Uh, how the fuck did I get that point of interest? That's a question. I don't even remember how I got that motherfucker. Well, how did I get that motherfucker? Why is that fucking even marked out? Oh, 354. Is it because of the? Oh, that's why it's marked out. Because of this right here. So the candle sequence that we're looking for, the 3 candle sequence happened right here, but the PSP isn't all the way until back at 1:30 a.m. So you can see the sequence that we're looking for happened at 2:24, 2:42, and 3 o'clock on both assets, ES and NQ. But the PSP is all the way back at 1:30. And I had to track why find that because YM had all green candles here as well. So the 130 candle is the PSP. So with that being said, we're gonna watch this motherfucking goddamn sweep on the 18 minute. Let's watch this motherfucker close. 130. Yeah, keep on falling, huh? Keep on falling. That's fine. YM is nowhere near that shit right now. All right, so with that being said, and neither is fucking ES, as you can see on the screen. We're gonna watch. We're not coming into the macro just yet. I'm gonna shift to the 1 minute real quick to see what they're looking like down there. Let me shift to the 1 minute. 1 minute never tapped that PSP at the top side. That's cool. I like that. It never tapped it on any asset, so I do have them going back up to get this 3 candle sequence right here on the EMA. So let's wait for this 18 minute to close, because we got to have a gap down in order for this to transpire. And we do have a gap down because it did sweep the low with this candle right here. So the 918 wick below the wick of the 130 candle. That counts for me. That counts for me. And we have a gap down on the next candle as well. So I wouldn't be surprised if they targeted the 1218 low real quick, since they're that close. So let's just see how they want to freaking play it. Either way, I'm looking for the shift to transpire on our line. So when we do get our transition back to the top side, which I am expecting, I will be waiting for the 144 unless the chart shows me that I can get in another way. But as of right now, there is nothing. So we're gonna fucking ball out and make sure this motherfucker is on fucking point. I'm watching the 1 minute also on YM right now. I'm waiting for the setup to transpire. YM is showing the 3 candle sequence right now, but it's not all the same color on the line. It's a little bit low. The wick is not wicking through, so I'm not really gonna gauge that unless it comes back down. But just in case it wants to, I'm going to keep an eye on the PSP at the bottom down there. I'm gonna keep an eye on that PSP. Let's see what the PSP is at the bottom. So the PSP would be the 937 candle. The 937 candle. Same candle, same closure. So with that being said, we still got to hold on. We have no delivery on any EMA. I want the EMA. I'm not taking no random trade. That's for certain. It's gotta be on this damn EMA. All right. So that 1 minute point of interest that we had, YM is heading in that direction currently. Yeah, either way, no matter what happens, the entry will be taken off of the 144. So, all right. Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, just make sure you still there, bro.
Yeah, I think competition will go pass out, bro.
10-4, we'll holler back at you in a little bit, buddy.
Hey, look, bro, don't play about your sleep. I learned the hard way.
Yeah, shit, you gotta do, you can't play about that shit, bro. All right, we'll holler at you in a little bit, dude. All right, buddy.
Bro.
Yep. Off of the 144. So. Off of the 144. So. Off of the 144. So. What do we have? I got a 144 entry on YM right now. I'm gonna here's what I'm gonna do. Let me fucking find a way to show what I'm looking at. YM. Here's what I'm looking at on YM, bro. See this right here? This candle right here. This wick and this blow through. So with that wick and that blow through, we have buys on the table. Let's see if they want to give it to us. So same candle, same closure. We need a sweep up under this candle right here at 940 on some kind, on any asset. I'm looking at all of them. I got ES pulled up on another chart as well. I just wanted to show you what I was looking at on YM to be able to gauge this trade. So let's see if they want to give it to us. I got to sweeping down one more time. Honestly, let's see how they want to do it. YM is coming into our point of interest at the top, though. It's not that close, but it's close enough. Right here. Red candle. All right. This would have been on PIY right here, the 940 candle. YM spotted as well. So there's nothing I can do. I want to wait for this right here. This sweep, there we go. That's what I'm looking for. This sweep right here. So nobody's there yet on the 18 minutes. See this low right here and this low. NQ just swept it. So I got us going up, honestly, at some point in time. Let's see. Hell, they might even come down to this yesterday's afternoon session, bro. Let's see what they want to do. If YM sweeps this high right here, I will be interested in buys on the 1 minute. I mean, sales on the 1 minute. So let's not just ignore that, completely ignore that and take that off the table. If they give it to me, I will take it. It's not the same color candle sequence that I'd rather have, and I will lower my lot size for it to account for it not being the same color. All right. Well, I'm sweeping it right now. So they might continue to fall. Let's see what they want to do. I gotta have a gap up. No, that's a gap down on YM. That doesn't count. Let's see what this is right here, dude. Close 1450, open 1450. If I get a closure above this right here, they're probably going to use this as a breaker block to go up. But it's got to close above the wick for me. It could close right there, but I like to close above the wicks to solidify, just so I don't have to guess about if they're going to go up or not. I'm going to let me take a look at this real quick. Nope. Let me stay where I need to stay at on the 1 minute real quick. All right, so if we're gonna take these sales, which I really don't want to take sales, I would need YM to gap up right now. I need a gap up above this high right here in order to take sales. Right now it is 9:46. We are still in the macro, and it's early in the macro, so let's just not jump the gun on this thing. So let me check the 3 minute real quick. 3 minute is showing me a gap down right here. Yeah, absolutely. Close above. Any more fair value gaps or volume imbalances right here? Let's see. Close is 38.50. Open is 38.50. Close is 39.75. Open is that is a volume imbalance right there, dude. Uh, I think. Shit. I think I might pull this trigger for the buys right now, bro. Give me a second. I gotta have a closure though on the 3 minute. It's gotta close above this volume imbalance right here in order for me to pull it. This one right here. That one right there. That volume imbalance right there. So it doesn't look like it wants to give it to us just yet. Let's see what they want to do. Yeah, I got this gap down right here. That's cool. Let's see if they want to run it up from here, dude. On the 3 minute. Let me check the 1 minute one more time. See what they're doing. Low. Lower low. If these next couple of candles run up above these highs right here, it's game on. Let's see how you want to play it, dude. You already got a gap down on the 3 minute, so what's this low? 9:47. Let's see how you want to play it, dude. You already got a gap down on the 3 minute. I mean, sales are not off the table. I got a POI right here with YM, so. Yeah, going above this volume imbalance would definitely be a buy for me, and I would have to go put a stop loss below this low here. Let's see if they're ready, dude. I will pull it. This is based on the 3 minute. Let me look at the 1 minute to gauge a little bit more real quick. I got a low, high, lower, low. If this right here goes above here and closes above the 9:47 candle, yeah, I'm gone. That's a wrap. If it closes above the 9:47 candle. This low here is 9:48. That is a prime number. I can accept that low. Let me take a look down real quick. I think they're ready to go, bro. I think they're ready to go. High 28.75, high 28.50. Yeah, I think they're ready to go, dude. Tell you what, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it, and I'm gonna put my low at the bottom. Let's see. I'm in on Apex. I may be too early. I mean, it is what it is. I didn't wait for my 144, so I'm gonna see what happens. Oh shit! God damn, the motherfucker just whipped my ass out. I had my stop not too fucking shallow, dude. Oh, not fucking bitch. All right, I tell you, I'm waiting till the 144. It's all good. I'm gonna hold on for a second. I'm waiting for this right here. This, my line. Something has to happen on my line, dude. So YM is YM never gapped up either to take a sell. Um, let's hold on for a second, dude. I fucked that up. Stop losses are shallow as fuck, dude. I mean, it is what it is. So let's see if they want to keep plummeting today. I don't think they want to, but let's see. We're gonna wait it out. We got 10 o'clock coming in as well, so no, low. We got a gap down right there. Just right here. Gap down between 952 and 953. If 953 closes at this right here, the open of the 950 candle, I'm going to take that and buy it and put the stop loss back below it and then let it roll with that. Let's see how they want to play it. Nope, they closed red. So that's not going to fly right now. I do know why I swept my POI on the 1 minute to go down, but they have not given me the entry that I want. And that's cool. If I don't take I took one trade already. If I don't take another one, then it is what it is. We went down $17 on that trade. That's not it's not bad. So $18 looks prime to go back up, bro. As low as 954. Let's see what they want to do. I'm cool with taking a breaker block on this trade. If we get all green candles going up and a closure above this wick, I'll wait for a retest of the breaker block right here at 949. I think that they're ready now, bro. We still have 10 o'clock coming in hot, so I'm gonna watch that for a second, and I'm gonna wait for us to get back to the 144. But closure here would signify we're ready to go, especially if it closes above this wick. Gotta wait it out though. Gotta wait it out. There's nothing that you can do but wait it out. I have nothing at the EMA except for YM. And they have not shown me that they still want to go down yet. I would need a sweep of this high right here. This one right here at 951. 951 cannot be a swing high. It has to be a prime number. It has to be a prime number for me to take interest in any trade. The market moves off of prime numbers. No one's going to tell you that though. So that's why this high right here can't stay intact. Now, can it keep going? Yeah, it can keep going, but I don't enter unless it's on a prime number. This is an important high right here. 956 high is very important. It's in the middle of this fair value gap. All right, so if they blow through this high right here and this high right here, they're about to go up. So let's see if they want to go ahead and take it up now. This right here will be my breaker block. The 949 candle is our breaker block. I'll enter on the retest of the breaker block if it goes from here. I mean, it's got to give every parameter. So we would need these candles to go up green, 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 green. This close is 81.50. This open is 81.50. Same close. All right. $10 o'clock hour is about to come in. Prime number 958 or 959 is the prime number. It can be one up or one down on the entry. Closure above here would be a great entry. Closure above here would even be better. If we can get two green candles to run up through this right here, they're going to go up. Still looking at YM. YM hasn't shown that they want to go down. So we're going to play the SMT, of course. Every entry is based on the SMT. I'll see if the sales are not off the table, bro. Don't get these people confused. They will run it down on you. We are currently at my EMA right now. So all trades are taking off this EMA for the most part. This right here, I'm going to pull it ahead of time if they give me a closure above. $10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock right now. We have another 17 minutes in the macro. I wouldn't be surprised if they ran this thing down for the rest of the day, dude. Just to keep the continuation for the week going. Maybe a slight little pullback at the end of the day, but we'll see how they want to play it. I'm not going to assume they're going to do anything. I'm not going to sit here and guess and say I know which way it's going. All I know is the strategy and what the strategy calls for. So let's play with the strategy. YM is making a move. And we have an SMT on these lows right here. These lows right here. 955 and that between YM. So YM is making this move on the sweep. That's cool. Definitely would like to see that. Definitely would like to see that. Let's see what they want to do, dude. Let's see. Let's see what they want to do. Let's be patient with this thing, bro. We got another sweep on YM. Closure. It didn't gap up, so we'll keep on watching. I will take a sale though. Do not get confused. If YM gaps up, right here on the next candle, if YM gaps up, it didn't gap up. So it's all good. I dropped the ship. All right. I think they're ready. I think they're ready. Here we go. Close above these highs right here. Complete closure. Breaker block right here. Taking a gander at the 30-second real quick, bro. Coming into our line on ES. So what I'm going to need is a red candle to dig into this breaker block right here. I'll take it off the breaker block. Take a look back at YM real quick. YM gapped up. They might run these sales, bro. They might run these sales. If YM closes below this 1004 candle, then yeah, we might have action going to the bottom side, bro. Let me watch carefully. Let me watch carefully. I'm not gonna just fucking jump the gun on it. Yeah, I think we're ready to go, bro. But we gotta tap back into this breaker block. Either this one right here or this one right here at 949. Matter of fact, if they come down and tap into this 1003 candle on the 30-second, I'll take a buy off that. Because we closed above this right here. So this is my breaker block. 1007 candle. Let's see how far they want to dig down. If they give all red candles, that's a fucking problem. I'm gonna pull the trigger and put my stop at the bottom though. My stops are below the 954 candle. They gave us a tap back into the order block. See if they're gonna let it hold. All right. See how they want to play it, brother. We might get one more sweep of those right here. 1007. Definitely don't want to see them come back down here to 1004. So let's see. Let me take a look at YM real quick. Definitely don't like the way YM is looking. But, you know, it is what it is, too. If I was them, I definitely would dump the market all the way the fuck down right now. They gave us a change of state based off a fucking sweep, dude. They could fucking sweep this bitch one more time. This low and this low. We haven't had a gap down on the bottom here, but we do have a prime number on the low. So I did take the trade. I'm in it right now currently. I can't fucking show it to you. It's on my other fucking computer. I'm in it right now. Stop losses is below this low right here. And right now I cannot move my stop loss for the next 20 to 30 minutes. That's a time rule. I can only reassess after 20 to 30 minutes after I have entered the trade. Just to keep myself from making drastic decisions. So if they stop me out, they stop me out. It is what it is. As long as I follow the rules, I'm okay. I'm cool. I'm cool with whatever happens. I just want to get used to following my rules. So 20 to 30 minutes is the rule for the 1 minute entry. And it has to sit tight. So it is what it is, brother. Let's goddamn roll with it. I'm currently in like $2 worth of drawdown ish. It's fluctuating. It'll be more than that if it comes down here, that's for sure. Let's see what they're gonna do. YM is sweeping that. That is a 10-11 candle. Prime number. That would be cool if they could take that bitch back up from here. That'd be fucking really awesome. Let's see how they want to play it. Stop losses is below the 954 candle right now. Like a little bit below. It's probably like at 9. Let me see exactly where it is on my chart. My stop loss is at 29,250 currently. Matter of fact, let's put it at 29,249.25. I don't want it to come below that, though. Nowhere near. If it does, I'm gonna be out. I'd rather be out of this trade. So. And they could run this bitch at the second macro. And if they do decide to do that, I will wait for the 144 to show itself on my entry at that point in time. So. But that ain't no fucking good, bro. Yeah, they're drawing me down. I did take this motherfucker on the goddamn live though, bro. Yeah, they look like they want to take this bitch right down, dude. I mean, it is what it is. I mean, if they stop me out, they stop me out. I'm chilling, man. I ain't fucking worried about it. I'm in the live still. If they want to blow through it, they can blow through it. It is what it is. I mean, I'm not moving my stop loss or anything, so. $10.14. If I missed the entry, then I missed the entry. I mean, it's cool. $10.15 cannot stay as low. They're gonna sweep that again. And if that is the case, we're gonna have to wait for our fucking regular entries, bro. We got an S&T on the lows right now, so they could let this one right here ride. Let's see how you want to play it. Yeah, they about to sweep that again, dude. Yeah, I'm out of the first one. I'm about to be out of the fucking second one if they fucking. It is what it is, dude. That point of entry at the top held. Let's see what they want to do, though. At this point in time, I'm waiting for my EMA, which I should have did the first time, bro. So I fucked that up. Let me write that shit down because I'm not supposed to fucking do that. 821. Did not take a trade off 144. Rule broken. Trying to get into the trade. Reassess. Got to step back from the chart and see how they want to do it now. It'd be cool. They can switch gears from right here. My stop loss it hasn't been hit yet on my live account. It's close to it though. I'm not gonna risk. I'm only risking fucking $10 on this trade. Yeah, I'm out now. So now at this point in time, we wait for the let me check the 6 minute real quick. And yes. Oh yeah, they're going. Damn, I missed the fucking 6 minute, bro. That gap up right there. Fuck yeah, this right here. Low, 81.25. Low, 81.25. That's the same one. So 1, 2, 3. Do we have a volume imbalance right there? We don't have a gap up right there though. So I don't see anything, bro. Not that I'm interested in. 6 minute is not showing me anything. Not based on the entry criteria that I'm using. So let's see. I'm not jumping the gun on it. I'm gonna wait. We got another macro coming in right now. In about 20 minutes. The first one is already transpired. Yeah. I got nothing. So I'm gonna wait for the second macro and then I'll be done for the day. And if that is what it is, it is what it is. I'm going about my business. Yeah, I'm not going. I can't even. No more 30 seconds ever again. They have to come off my chart. They have to come off the chart. Not taking a trade off of them. I may glance at them, but I'm not. I won't be putting any trades off of that anymore, bro. Let's see if they want to give us this change instead of delivery right now. I'll take it off that if they give it to us. Um, so I would need a swing high above this high right here. We also have yesterday's lows close by on NQ. That does count. So let's see what they want to do, dude. I can't do anything currently. Also, I'm looking at YM right now. So yeah, Apex kind of blown. So we're gonna try it again. We're gonna start over. And from this point forward, we only trade same color candle, and we're gonna have to wait for the same color candle sequences. So yep, I got stopped out of my other one too early. It would have been back in profit, bro. I mean, it is what it is. What can you do? Except lower your fucking stop loss. I would have had to lower my stop loss to down here. We got lows on the prime number 2 right now. Man, I got us going to hit these fucking PM lows though, bro. I don't the previous day's lows. I don't think they're gonna lead that shit like that, dude. I mean, I could be mistaken, but I mean, we're gonna wait for our setup. I gotta change the state on the 1 minute though, bro. This candle right here. That candle right there. Let's see if they want to let this bitch hold, bro. That's a 1029 candle too. I don't think they're gonna leave yesterday's lows like that, dude. I'm not gonna jump the fucking gun anymore. I already fucking blew the Apex account because I got in too early. If they close above this, I will get in for the buys, bro. On the live. Let's wait it out. This should be going up from here, bro. 1037. Let's see what they want to do, dude. We still have yesterday's lows down there, but they gave us a change in state, bro. I don't know if it don't look like it wants to freaking hold, but I'm gonna fucking hold it, bitch. But I'm in it right now. I got 0.1s on right now. So let's see if they want to let this motherfucker hold, dude. I can't show you that I'm in the trade, but well, actually I can. I'm over here, dude. I got two different computers set up. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. That screen right there. But anyway, yeah. I'm in live right this very second. My stop loss is at the lows. We had a change in the state of delivery right here on this candle, 1026. So I took buys when it came back down to 1029. I took buys right there. When Robert came, put me in drawdown right here. Still currently in drawdown. We're going to see if they want to come back and sweep previous day's lows. I might have got in too early. I mean, it is what it is. I ain't freaking tripping. Stop losses go right here, and they kick me out. I'm out. I mean, it is what it is. So, but they gave me what I needed to see, so I'm going to go ahead and roll with it. This trade should go like up from here. If we're on the right side, of course. So, yeah, I really want to fucking add another one on this motherfucker, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to let these right here ride, and I'm going to hold it and see what they want to do with it. Yeah, previous day's low is down here, bro. So let me show it to you real quick. Right here. 2:06 p.m. They're like close as fuck to it. You know what I'm saying? I don't see why they would leave it. But I've seen them do stranger things, so I'm not gonna sit here and say they have to get it. But we're now coming into the macro. The macro starts at 1042 for me. 1042. So let's see if they want to release this motherfucker right now, bro. I mean, cause I'm done after this. I mean, I'm not taking any more unless I see it coming to my secondary entry, which is at the 144. So Right now, I got nothing. Would love to see that bitch go from here, bro. Love to. Yeah, if it's gonna go from anywhere, it's gonna go from here. Let's see if they want to sweep the 1030 eyes over there. This would be the move if they want to do it, bro. I'm not gonna scare and bullshit you. I mean, it is what it is. Let's see if they want to release it. Let me take a look at the 30. 30 seconds coming into an email. Just glancing at it, not really worrying about it. Just want to see where it is in relationship to. I'm currently in just it's only $2 worth of drawdown. So no total stop loss. If per se they wanted to take it out, it's fucking like $16, something like that, bro. You gotta figure it out. You gotta figure it out, bro. So let's see how they want to play it. In 30 seconds, it's coming to the EMA. I want to see how it reacts right here, dude. Let's go back to the 1 minute. See what we got. These lines are irrelevant right now. They're deciding if they want to sweep previous day's lows. They can decide whatever the fuck they want to decide. It is what it is, dude. And take another gander at the 30. We got nothing, bro. Let's see. I don't see anything right now currently. Shit, if it gets close below this low right here, it's gonna keep falling. We got a gap up. We got a gap up right here. We're just gonna watch it, bro. There's nothing I can do about it. We got the 3 candles. No, we don't have it. Yeah, I got nothing. We're good. Good, bro. Shit. They may want to fucking keep on rock and rolling right here, bro. Ain't nothing I can do about it, dude. I was in before I got out. It was like it was taking too long for me. I should have held it, motherfucker. But it is what it is, dude. I don't see anything on the 1 minute. I don't see anything on the 3 minute. I don't see anything on the 6 minute. Damn, bro. That was a fucking move. That was a fucking move. What can you do, man? Yeah, I got out of it. I got out of it, bro. It's not the play though, so. $10.48. $10.48. Yeah, it ain't the fucking move, bro. Ain't nothing I can do about it. No candle patterns at all. So I'm gonna let that shit go today, and I'm only gonna trade the fucking 3 candle pattern that I told myself. I blew the account today, so we're gonna take the 3 candle sequence on the next try at this, and we're gonna only take. And if we don't see it, we're gonna have to fucking walk away. We're still in the macro now. I'm gonna finish up this macro and then that'll be it. 3 minutes is taking off. 1 minute has gone through our EMA right here. It's a 4 candle sequence. Technically speaking, it's a 4 candle sequence. It's not our look. Let's see if YM or NQ wants to give it to us. I mean, we were in the trade at the bottom, bro. I just didn't wait it out like I was supposed to. We got in down here. We got in right here. They gave us what we needed to see too. I took it off an old setup that I had. I took it off the old setup. So, I mean, it is what it is, dude. I'm not gonna complain about it. We're gonna reassess, and we're gonna target this 3 hour next week is what they're looking for. So what they're looking for, they still may give us an entry on this EMA here. I got out of the trade that I was just in on the buys. Uh, it started looking a little sketchy for some reason. I don't know why. My ego started fucking tripping. But with that being said, the play, the play is right here. Let me show it to you. Hold on. Was it on ES? Hold on. Yeah, it was on ES. Yeah, it was on ES. All right, so the play, right? Yes, that's exactly it right here. 3 hour on ES. This is the play. This is the candle sequence that we're looking for. This right here. Whenever you see this pattern, and it's got to happen around the EMA, you got to swing low through the EMA, and then you got 3 candle continuation drop. When you have that happen, they're going to continue down. They have to target the precision swing point though. So the precision swing point is the 9 o'clock candle. The 9 o'clock candle. This candle right here. They're going to come back and tap the 9 o'clock candle. They're not going to make it up to today probably. It'll probably start this next week. And when it comes up and taps this 9 o'clock candle on any asset, one asset has to fail though. You have to have an SMT for this to work. So this candle is green on YM. This candle is green on YM. So I'm looking for somebody that comes with this particular 9 a.m. candle, 9 p.m. candle, and continue down next week. So, but it is the most powerful thing ever, dude. Hands down, you're not gonna beat it anywhere with a bat. It's the best thing smoking. I have the best strategy ever. I don't care where you go to. I don't care what you're looking for. If you're willing to wait for any strategy, it will work. You know what I'm saying? But this one right here works thoroughly. Thoroughly. Let's see how close YM is to it. YM is getting back up there though, bro. YM is getting back up there to the 9 p.m. candle, the one I just showed on the 3 hour. So technically speaking, it could get there this afternoon and turn around, but I'm really not banking on that. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Right now, 3 candle sequence has not played out, and I'm not going to be taking trades until I freaking see it. And it must look like this. It must look like this. It has no choice but to it has to come into the line, the EMA, bounce off of it, and then blow through it, leaving a fair value gap. It works 100% of the time. 100% of the time. So they're gone, bro. You had the right side, bro. You picked the right side. You just didn't hold it. You were too early to and you blew the account. And that's fine because I see what I need to see. That's totally fine. Let's see if they want to give us this secondary entry. I would like for this candle here to close green, but I don't want it to go above this swing high. It'd be cool if they could turn green, close, and then another green candle to go through this high. If it does that, then we have action, but there's nothing we can do about it. Not at this point in time, anyway. Yeah, blow through. I want to see this bitch blow through, bro. Let's see it blow through. We can get into the fucking goddamn continuation on this motherfucker, dude. That'd be awesome. If they could help us out here. If they don't, I'm going to fix me some lunch. And that's a wrap. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to study the entry that just happened. Right here. This one right here. These 3 candles. High. Inside bar. Close through. Fair value gap. That's the entry. You got an SMT right there on those lows between ES and NQ, where this happened at right there on ES. ES swept that low right here, 1024. It swept it right here. The entry model requires a gap down. A gap down, any gap down at your point of interest. Gap down is this right here. Candle close, gap down, close above the gap, and close above the swing high or swing highs and other imbalances on the way up, all green candles. So you could have entered on this closure, or you could have waited for the confirmation on this big green candle and still stop losses would have went to low on either asset. I trailed out, so I mean, but this is a holding trade. The target is 3 o'clock, 9 p.m. candle. This 9 p.m. candle right here. So we'll see if it gets there. It might not get there today. And it could get there today. I mean, don't get me wrong, it could get there today. YM is already almost there. So one of the assets has to get there. Not all of them have to get there. Just one of the assets have to get there. But that is the point of interest for sales. If I'm going to take sales, how we're looking at how it reacts there. So, but that's going to do me for today, bro. That's going to do me for today. It was a good session. So we're going to load this back up come Monday morning, and we're going to do this shit all over again. And I hope you guys have a safe weekend, bro. Peace and love forever and always, pal. Peace.